Okay, YouTube. Now, what I'm doing here is slicing the what is you can call the rosette guitar. This is partly coming from my design rosette, original from my idea to making rosette. So this chips it come from this beam, you can beam or stick or a sandwich, or I don't know what is it. I do live. I do love to call this as the beam rosette is because the stick beam rosette. Then already cutting so many. Then this another one. So I'm not using a pencil because the pencils smallest pencil here in Indonesia is 0.5 millimeter for the slot. So is the pencil not good enough, this beam cut will break. The slicing is not good enough, so it's very risky. So I do choose to walking slowly by my special Japanese saw. I also make this by myself, so special tool, special saw. So this cut have very small, yeah. So look, it's about 0.3 millimeter, yeah. So very thin slice, very thin slice. I have two. This is the bigger slice, and this for the to cutting uh, rosette beams. So let me to demonstrate how do I cutting. So I do prepare this to clamp my mobile, my phone, to avoiding any drop. Then I'm using that LED lamp. I also always prepare the mirror to reflect the light to here, so I could always monitoring my saw. So placing here, I'm using the wooden clamp. You can see here. So that is good. Yeah, okay. I have make a small slot here, so I'm cutting here for about 2 millimeter thickness. It is like so. Then another direction here from there. Look that another area again. Oh, sorry. It's very slow process because it's hand saw, and this beam rosette is big enough. It's 16 by 18 pixel of 0.6 millimeter thickness veneer. This is a maple veneer, so I think it's big enough. So the size of rosette beam is big enough. So that is my saw getting stuck because it's very thin cut. So voila, this is the result. What we're getting, this 2.5 millimeter. Yeah, it's still rough. Then the next is I'm using the chisel to flossing here, and by flossing this, the contour of rosette will be rise. Then you can see now it's getting like a rose. Now the kawung bati is able to see that one. See that? Now you can see this one. This is a rosette we got. Okay, it's already 2.5, maybe this is 2.5. Let's make 2 millimeter thickness. So for the 2 millimeter thickness, I have making a marking here. Can you see that is small mark? Wait, where's the focus? Yeah, we cannot see the detail by this camera. So I'm using this caliper, so it's already 2 millimeter. Where's that one? Where's the focus? Hey, that's 2 millimeter. Okay, then 2 millimeter thickness for this, and it's not easy because it's already very small, yeah. Before this is the long one, it's very easy to hold because it's free hands. So the marking here for the 2 millimeter is in here, so there, yeah, I got it. 2 millimeter is thinner than before, so one shot from here, and then second shot from this one. Okay, another. Okay, like so. Another side here. Okay, now we get a full quarter of the slicing. So the next finishing is going to be slow and smooth, so not breaking the rosette beam. Okay. Okay. Now it's cut. So this smaller, this is thinner than before. So this guy lets me to clean up. Okay. No break. If we are using the bandsaw or 0.3 millimeter, will be slicing danger, and many times it will be break, and then that is wasting time. But for the high quality of bandsaw is probably better there, but I don't have that tool. I don't have that bandsaw, so manual is great job. So see here that we have rosette. Okay, we join it together like this. Yeah, see that? You can see that is wonderful. Oh, where is the focus? Yeah, let's focus. See that? Wonderful, yeah. Wonderful rosette. It's very clean cut and safe. Also getting so many because the sawdust also very small, maybe 0.3 millimeter thickness sawdust. So not wasting many beam rosettes. So thank you for watching this video for slicing rosette beam to be this chips of rosette, and then the next it's already to install the sun hole from a sunboard. Bye.